allied angles and some more problems on that allied angles. Now today I have discussed about the trigonometric ratios. We will find the trigonometric ratios for sum of the two angles or difference of the two angles. That is called compound angles. The trigonometric functions of sum and difference of the two angles. Understood? Now, for suppose A comma B are the two angles, then A plus B, A minus B for the trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios. What are trigonometric ratios? Sine of A plus B, sine of A minus B, cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B, tan of A plus B, tan of A minus B, cot of A plus B, cot of A minus B. We will find all the trigonometric functions, the sum or difference of the two angles. That is called compound angles. What is the meaning of the compound angles? Means the algebraic sum. Algebraic means either addition or subtraction. Algebraic sum or two or more angles is said to be compound angles. How to find the sum and difference of the compound trigonometric functions? Now, for suppose you know that therefore A plus B. Now, we apply the sine. Sine of A plus B is equal to, you know the formula? No? Sine of A plus B equals sine A plus sine B. Not. Sine of A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B. Now, what of the formula of sine of A plus B? Sine of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B formula, remember once again, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. How it will get? Now listen carefully. Now for suppose we will take the coordinate axis or initial line, whatever may be, OA. OA is the initial line, initial ray. After rotated some angle, for suppose this point is, after rotated some angle, this point is for suppose B. Now this angle is nothing but the A. You will take A. Listen carefully. A. After that again we rotated this one at this point. From this one to this one we rotated this point. This is equal nothing but the C. This angle is nothing but the B. Let those consider. Now sum of these two angles, this is A, this is B. Sum of this angle is equal to how much? A plus B. Now apply the trigonometric ratio. Understood or not? First of all, you understood or not this one? Yes, very easy. You can understand. Now after that, some construction is going on. Okay. Now we draw the perpendicular from. This one to this one. For suppose this is M. This is perpendicular means you know that. For suppose sin of A plus B. What is the formula of sin of A plus B? You know very well. Sin of A plus B is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Now some more construction is going on. What the some more construction means? From here we draw the perpendicular from here to the OB line. Perpendicular. Now this one. Perpendicular. This is 100% 90 degrees. Perpendicular. For suppose this is whatever maybe, this is N or P, whatever maybe. Say yes or no? Understood? From here to here we draw the perpendicular. After that, now from this point we draw the perpendicular to the OA line. This is for suppose P, whatever may be, P or Q or whatever may be. Okay. After that again from this one to CM line is there. We draw the perpendicular from this one to this one. Let it meet at the point R. Now it is the construction of the diagram or figure. After that, listen carefully. What happened? It's going on. Some angles. In this one, here MP is equal to RN. Yes or no? In this one, clearly observe that MP is equal to, from this diagram, MP is equal to RN. Those two are parallel lines and parallel. Next, RM is equal to NP. RM, this RM is equal to NP. Any doubt? No doubt at all. Now observe that this angle is A. Clearly this angle is A, this angle is 90 degrees. This angle is how much? This angle is A, this angle is 90. 90 plus A. How much this one? The sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees or not? Yes, 100% this is 90 minus A. This is 90 minus A means this is also 90 minus A. Why? Because whenever the two lines are intersect, corresponding opposite angles must be equal. This angle must be equal. Say yes or no? Yes. This is 90 minus A. And these two lines are this one is A. Say yes or no? This is x-axis. These two lines are parallel. This line is parallel. This is the transversal ray. This is the transversal ray. This angle is A means this angle 100% A. Actually total angle of this one, total how much? This total from here to here angle how much is called? We draw the perpendicular from here to here. This is total angle is 90. This angle, this small angle is equal to A. Now this angle is equal to how much? This angle is 100% 90 minus A. Understood? Now this is how much? This is 90 degrees. Angle NRC is 90. RNC is 90 minus A. What about this? What about at the angle RCN? This is 90 degrees. This is 90 minus A. What about this? Total sum of the angles 100%, 180 degrees. This is 90. This is 90 minus A. Observe that. 90 plus 90 minus A plus, suppose this is X is equal to 180 degrees. In this triangle CRN, in the triangle CRN. Say sir, no. First thinking the figure, after that we will do easily. Yes, these two lines are parallel lines. These two are the parallel lines, 100%. This is the transversal line. This is A, this 100% A. This total angle here 190 degrees, 100%. This is 90 minus A. This is 100% 90 degrees. We draw the perpendicular means from here to here to perpendicular means this is 90 degrees. 90 minus A, this is 90. Okay, 180 minus A. Now this 100% is A. This is construction of the figure. For cos of A plus B also in the same figure. No changing that all. Now this is the total angle is A plus B. Now this is A, this is B. Now apply the sine. What is the formula for sine? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side or perpendicular by hypotenuse. Opposite side. This is A plus B, for suppose. A, this is B means of the angle. Sine of the angle you apply. Sine of A plus B is equal to opposite side. What is the opposite side means? What is the opposite side? MC. Opposite side, this is MC. A plus B angle, this is MC. This is the 90 degrees. This is MC by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is how much? OC. Understood? Say yes or no? Yes. Now that is equal to MC. MC. Here R is there. You write the RC or CR, whatever, CR plus RM. MC is equal to MR plus RC or CR plus RM. Distance. This total distance is equal to this part plus this part. You write or not? You will write. What is that is equal to MC means CR plus RM by OC. Okay, my dear students. Now that is equal to separation. CR by OC plus RM by OC. Now CR by OC. Where is the CR? CR is this one. CR is this one. OC is this one. This is CR. This is OC. No triangle at all. Possibility is there? Not at all. This is CR. This is OC. CR by OC means nothing. In the triangle, per suppose opposite side by hypotenuse or adjacent side by hypotenuse, you will write sine and cos. Here CR by OC is nothing. Per suppose you will take this angle, per suppose A is the angle, per suppose this triangle. In this triangle, what is the triangle? CRN. Per suppose you write the cos A, per suppose cos, you apply the cos. This is 90 degrees means this is hypotenuse. Opposite to the A is called opposite side. This is called adjacent side. In this triangle, what is the triangle? CRN. In the triangle CRN, cos A is equal to, we know that cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Say yes or no? In this triangle, clearly observe that in this triangle, cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? CR by opposite side, hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? That equals CN. Say yes or no? Yes. Now CR, what do you want? CR by CN. But CR by OC is there. That's why numerator and denominator multiply and divide with CN. That's why CR by CN into CN by OC. Deleted these two. Say yes or no? Yes. Plus RM. What is the value of RM? RM nothing but the NP. Say yes or no? RM by OC. This is RM by OC. No use at all. Now RM is parallel to NP. These two are equal. RM is equal to NP. This is NP by OC. Now NP. Now we will take this triangle. NP. NP by OC. This is NP by OC. No use at all. Say yes or no? Now I am taking, for suppose this triangle we will take. This triangle, what is the angle A? For suppose sine we will write sine A. In this triangle OPN. This is OPN. What is the angle A? Sine A, for suppose. What happened? Sine A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse in this triangle. NP by RPN by ON. Say yes or no? Here NP is there or PN is there. By what happened? ON. Multiply and dividing with ON. Now CR by CN into CN by OC plus NP or PN, NP by ON into ON by OC. Now definitions apply. Here CR by CN. CR means this one, by CN means this one. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is the cos of the angle. What is the definition of the cos? This one by this one. This is cos A. Next, CN by OC. Where is CN? This is CN by OC. Means this is also right angle triangle. I already told this one to this one perpendicular means this triangle. This triangle, observe that. This triangle. In this one, here 90 degrees. 90 degrees means this is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, this is the angle B. This is opposite side. What is the CN? CN means opposite side by hypotenuse. That equal angle is sine B. That is sine B. Plus NP by OC. NP means by OC. This triangle. You can observe that. Simple. NP by NP by ON. NP by ON. Angle is A. Sin A per suppose. Opposite side by hypotenuse. That equal to sin A. Into ON by OC. Where is ON? This is ON. ON by OC. This is 90 degrees. This is the hypotenuse. This is adjacent side. B is there. What does that mean? Cos B. Now simple. Sin of A plus B is equal to, now write as, therefore sin of A plus B is equal to, what happened? Sin A cos B. First write this one, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Please remember the formula. What is the formula of sin of A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. You understood or not? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Yes. Okay, sin of A plus B formula, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. In this one, replace B by minus B. Instead of B, write the minus B. This one what happened? Sin of A plus B means minus B. Sin of A minus B. In this one, only B value, sin A. Here, cos of minus B. Instead of b, write the minus b. Cos of minus b, cos of minus theta, cos theta. That is cos b. Plus cos a. Observe that. Sin b value is minus b. Sin of minus b. Sin of minus b is minus sin b. This is minus sin b. Okay. Sin a cos b plus into minus minus cos a sin b. Okay, boys and girls, okay, this is simple, very simple. Sin of a plus b formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now we have discussed about the, for the same figure, we have discussed about the cos of a plus b. What happened? Cos of a plus b. Okay, same figure, cos of a plus b. Now we will go to cos of a plus b. Okay. What is the formula of cos of a plus b? Okay, student. Sin of, what before we told? Sin of a plus b formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, please remember the formulas. Now the same diagram. Same construction. In this one, no change at all. Now in this one, a plus b is there. A plus b. Now we apply the a plus b means in the triangle OM, same in the triangle OMC. What is the formula of cos of a plus b? Listen carefully. First, you write the cos of a plus b is equal. This one not important for the exam, any examination point of view, but you have an idea how to prove that one compulsory. Some students, junior students asking you how to prove that one. Compulsory you learn this one. 100% you learn. Okay, 100% you learn. Cos of a plus b formula cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Sin a sin b. The diagram is same. Now what is this angle? This is a, this is b. This is a plus b. A plus b. Now cos apply. Now in the triangle OMP, in a right angle triangle OMC. OMC. Okay? Okay? Now cos. What is the definition of the cos? Here a plus b is the here to a plus b is the angle. What is the definition of the cos means? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by base by hypotenuse. OM by OC. Say yes or no? Yes. OM by OC. This one OM is equal right as this is OM. Now I want this one OM. OP minus MP, right or not? OP minus MP by OC. Total distance minus subtract this one, we get this one OM. Understood? Now separation. OP by OC minus MP by OC. Where is OP? OP is a OP here by OC. No triangle at all. Say yes or no? No triangle. But we observe that what is the angle A? This is. What is the meaning of OP here? This is the base. This is the hypotenuse. Means what is the hypotenuse? ON is the hypotenuse. Now multiplying, dividing with ON. This one. OP by ON into ON by OC minus MP. MP nothing but the RN or NR. Okay? RN by OC. RN means this one. RN means this one. This is opposite side. Opposite side by hypotenuse, 100%. Adjacent side by hypotenuse or opposite side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means, what is the hypotenuse means? Cn. Now multiply, divide with the Cn, this one. OP by ON into ON by OC minus RN by Cn into Cn by OC. We had multiply, dividing, multiply, dividing. Now observe that OP by ON. Where is OP by ON? This is OP by ON. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This triangle OPN is the right angle triangle. Now this is the adjacent side, this is the hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse nothing but the cos of the angle. What is the angle? A. This is cos A. Now ON by OC. Where is ON by OC? This is ON by OC. Now here angle is there. This is in this one. This is the angle ON by OC. This is the angle is B. ON by OC means this triangle, big one. This is also right angle triangle. What does it means? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Angle is B. That is cos B. Minus Rn. Rn by Cn. Where is Rn? This is Rn by Cn. Means A is the angle. Opposite side by hypotenuse. That is sin A. Cn. Where is the Cn? This is the Cn. By OC, this one. Cn by OC means the big triangle. Opposite side by hypotenuse. B is there, opposite side by hypotenuse. That is called sine of the angle. Sin B. This is the formula of cos of A plus B. What is the formula of cos of A plus B? Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Understood? Now replace B by minus B. Here instead of B write minus B. Now cos of A minus B is equal to cos of A minus B is equal to cos A here B. Instead of B write the minus B, cos of minus B. Cos of minus B means cos B minus sin A into sin of B means minus B, right? Sin of minus theta minus theta minus sin theta. Already minus is there. Minus means plus. That is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Simple. How many formulas we learn? 4 formulas completed. Okay. One is the sin of A plus B. Other one is sin of A minus B. Next one cos of A plus B. Other one cos of A minus B. Now, what is the formulas? Sin of A plus B is equal, write down one by one. After that, we will go to the next one. What is the next one means? Tan. Now, have discussed about the tan of A plus B and tan of A minus B. Okay. I hope that all must be understood. Okay. You choose the formulas. Now, you know the formulas, write down here side. What is the formula of sin of A plus B formula? What is the sin of A plus B formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the formula for sin of A plus B. Now, sin of A minus B formula. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Please, okay, understood. Cos of A plus B. What is the formula? Cos A cos B, not plus sin A sin B. Okay. Cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B formula. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now, I have discussed about the tan. What is the meaning of the tan? Sin by cos. Now, tan of A plus B. Now, observe that. Tan of A plus B is equal to tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. That means sin of A plus B by cos of A plus B. Say yes or no? Tell me. Yes. Sin of A plus B formula, you know very well sin of A plus B formula. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B by cos of A plus B formula. Cos A cos B plus cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now, the numerator and denominator is divided with cos A cos B. NR and DR. NR means numerator and denominator is divided with cos A cos B. This one divided by cos A cos B, this one divided by cos A. That means each and every term divided with cos A cos B. Now sin A cos B by plus, okay, 1 minute. By denominator now this is in between plus is there means separation, this one by this one plus this one by this one. What happened? This one, observe that sin A cos B by cos A cos B, cos B cos B cancel, sin A by cos A, that equal tan A, plus here this one by this one means cos cos cancel, sin B by cos B, that equal tan B. Next cos A cancel, cos B cancel, this one by this one totally cancel means 1 minus, here sin A by cos A tan A, sin B by cos B, separation, yeah, sin A by cos A tan A, sin B by cos B, tan B means what happened? Tan A into tan B. What is the formula of this one? Tan of A plus B formula. Tan of A plus B formula, what happened? Tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Now another formula is added. Now tan of A plus B is equal to formula tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Understood? Simple. But suppose tan of A minus B, same. What happened? Tan of A minus B. This is minus. Tan means sin by cos, minus, minus. Sin of A minus B formula, sin A cos B minus, this is plus. This is minus, this is plus. That's why this is minus, this is plus. Here minus. What is the formula of tan of A minus B? Tan of A minus B formula tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Now another formula is there. Tan of A minus B formula. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Understood? Next one is the cot. Now you observe that cot of A plus B. Okay? What is the formula of cot of A plus B? What is the definition of the cot theta? Cos by sin. Cot theta means the ratio of the cos and sin. Means cos of A plus B by sin of A plus B. Cot theta, cos theta by sin theta. Cot of A plus B is equal to cos of A plus B by sin of A plus B. Now cos of A plus B formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B by sin of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now the numerator denominator is divided with sin A sin B. The NR and DR is divided with sin A sin B. Now directly we write cos A cos B by sin A sin B. Division cos A cos B by sin A sin B. What happened? Cos A by sin A means cot A. Cos B by sin B means cot B. Minus sin A cancel, sin B cancel. Total cancel means 1 by, understood? This one by this one, sin A cancel, cos B by sin B means cot B plus cos A by sin A, cot A, sin B cancel, that is cot A. This is the formula of cot of A plus B. What is the formula of cot of A plus B? Cot of A plus B formula, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Cot B plus cot A. You understood? Very simple one. Now cot of A minus B, what happened? Next one. First of all, cot of A minus B. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus. This is plus, this is minus. This is plus, this is minus. Don't confuse here. Cot of A plus B formula, cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Not cot A minus cot B. Cot B minus cot A. Now the formula is cot of A minus B. Cot of A minus B formula, cot A cot B plus 1 by here cot B minus cot A. Please once again you remember all these 8 formulas first of all. 8 formulas. After that you will do the problems very easily. Otherwise you face a lot of the problems. Understood? Now another one, we will go to the another form. Yes or no? Tan of A plus B formula you know very well. Tan of the A plus B formula you know very well. Tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan of A minus B formula you know. Cot of A plus B formula you know very well. You have. Now some logical thinking is going on. Logical. Important point of view for class 11 examination, sorry, A mains examination purpose. Okay, another competitive exam purpose. Any means teacher job purpose or PGT, NVS or KVS exam purpose. Now some logical questions is going on. Tan of A plus B formula you know very well. Listen carefully. Tan of A plus B. Simple. Tan of A plus B formula you know that tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. This is the formula. Okay, every student must and should read these formulas. Okay, otherwise we cannot do anything. Tan of A plus B formula. In this one, A replaced by pi by 4, B replaced by A. What happened? Tan of pi by 4 plus A. Pi by 4 plus A means 45 degrees plus A. Pi by 4. This is the radian measure, 45 degrees plus A. Understood? Tan of 45 plus A. Now substitute. A means 45. Tan 45 plus B means A. Tan A by 1 minus tan 45 into tan A. Simple. Tan 45 how much? You know or not? Plus tan A by 1 minus tan 45 means 1 into tan A, tan A. 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A, that equal tan of pi by 4 plus A. Here in this way, same way, observe that this one for suppose. Here in this one pi by 4 minus A. Cot 45, 1. Okay, next. This one, observe that. This is the 1 of the formula. 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A. Tan means sin by cos. 1 plus sin A by cos A by 1 minus sin A by cos A. Say yes or no? Yes. LCM is cos A. Here cos A cancel. Cos A plus sin A by cos A plus sin A by cos A minus sin A. This is also formula for tan of pi by 4 plus A. Now, suppose this is divided by this one divided by numerator denominator divided by sin A. What happened? Divided by sin A. This one numerator denominator divided by sin A. What happened? Cos A by sin A. Cot A plus 1 by cot A minus 1. Cot A plus 1 by cot A minus 1. For suppose in this one, observe that instead of B, write the pi by 4. Here, instead of B, you write the pi by 4. Instead of B, A cot of pi by 4 minus A. Cot of pi by 4 minus A. Okay, no problem at all. Pi by 4 minus A. This is pi by 4, this is A. Okay, A value is pi by 4. What is the meaning of that one? A value is pi by 4. Cot 45, 1. B means A. 1 into cot A plus 1. Cot A plus 1 by B value is means A. A value means 45. Cot A minus 1. This one. This is nothing but the cot of pi by 4 minus A. What are the formulas of tan of pi by 4 plus a? Tan of pi by 4 plus a nothing but the cot of pi by 4 minus a. Tan of pi by 4 plus a nothing but the cot of pi by 4 minus a. Tan of pi by 4 plus a formula 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a, or cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a. You must and should remember how the questions asking in the examination point of view. Simple. In the examination point of view, find cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees. In this way, what is the value of this one? Cos 9 plus sin 9 by cos 9 minus sin 9. Observe that. Cos a plus total all angles are same 9, 9, 9, 9. Cos a sin a, cos a sin a. In this one plus is there, in this one minus is there. Cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a. This is how the two formulas. One is the tan 45 degrees plus a, other one is cot 45 minus a. Now you write this formula. What is the formula of this one? Tan 45 plus a. A means how much? 9 degrees. Tan 45 means 45. 5 by 4 means 45. 45 plus 9. 45 plus 9 means how much? 54 degrees. Tan 54 is equal to tan of 90 minus 36. 90 minus theta, first coordinate, that is cot 36. Here write down 45 minus 9. 45 minus 9 how much? That equals 36, cot 36 degrees. Understood? Now, what are the another formulas? Here, tan of pi by 4 plus a is equal to, what is the formula? 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a, that equal to cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a, that equal to cot a plus 1 by cot a minus 1, that equal to cot pi by 4 minus a. So many formulas are there. Yes or no? Yes. Now suppose next one is tan of pi by 4 minus a. What happened? Tan of pi by 4 minus a. Here minus, here plus. This is minus, this is plus. This is minus, this is plus. This is minus, this is plus. Observe that clearly. This is minus, this is plus. 100% this is plus. Tan of pi by 4 minus a. Another formula you write. Okay. By using all these formulas, we'll complete the exercise easily. Now, suppose in the examination point of view, find the value of sin 15 degrees. Suppose what happened? Now remember, these are all formulas once again. Okay. Please read all the formulas. At least daily 20 minutes or 15 minutes. At least daily you practice. Now suppose in the examination point of view, find the values of sin 15, cos 15, tan 15, cot 15, secant 15, cosecant 15 degrees. Suppose in the examination point of view, find the value of sin 15 degrees. Before you know the value, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, you know very well. You write the sum or difference of those two angles, known angles. Now 15 degrees is there, we will write the 60 minus 45 or 45 minus 30, whatever may be. Yes or no? Now it write as sin of 15 degrees, write as 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30 degrees. Yes or no? Yes. The difference of the two angles is called compound angles. This is per suppose A, this is B. Per suppose this is, you take as this is A, this is B. What is the formula? Sin of A minus B formula here. Sin of A minus B formula. You know very well. Say yes or no? Yes. Sin of A minus B formula. Sin A cos B. That equals sin A. Sin A cos B. Sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. Applying the formula. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Instead of A write 45, instead of B write 30 degrees. What happened? Sin 45 means 1 by root 2. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. Minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. What happened? 1 into root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Orally, what is the LCM? 2 root 2. That equal root 3 minus 1. That is how much? Sin 15 degrees. What is the value of sin 15 degrees? Sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Next class we will discuss about the another trigonometric values and some more problems. Thank you, one and all.